In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Groups with Gmail. If you're trying to streamline communication within a team or a large group, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type "How to use Google Groups with Gmail." You'll find plenty of resources there, but for our purposes, focusing on the basics will set a strong foundation. Next, click on any reliable link that provides detailed instructions on getting started with Google Groups. For beginners, Google's own support pages and forums are great places to start. They often contain up-to-date information and frequently asked questions that can help clarify common issues. Once you've accessed the information, the next step is to open your Gmail account. If you haven't logged in already, simply enter your email and password to proceed. Inside Gmail, locate the Google Apps icon at the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a small square composed of dots. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with various Google services. From the menu, select Groups. This will direct you to the Google Groups homepage. If this is your first time, you might be prompted to set up a new group. Click on the Create Group button, usually a prominent option on the page. Now, you'll be required to fill in some details about your group. Start with a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the group, like weekly team meeting or family reunion planning. This helps members understand the context quickly. Beneath the name, you'll also need to create an email address that members will use to communicate. The email address needs to be unique, so try combining words or adding numbers if common names are already taken. Next, provide a brief description of your group's purpose. This section isn't just for filling up space, it's a useful spot to tell prospective members what the group is all about, which will help attract genuine interest. Now, it's time to set the group's privacy settings. Decide who can join the group. You can restrict this to only invited members, or you can open it to anyone with the group's email address. Consider your audience. For internal team projects, a private setting is often best. Once you've configured the settings, hit the Create button. Google Groups will take a moment to finalize and create your group. After this, you can invite members by entering their email addresses. You can manage these settings through your Gmail account, ensuring everything is convenient and centralized. In summary, Google Groups and Gmail offer powerful tools for collaborative communication. With careful setup and management, you'll find it easier to organize discussions and share information within your group. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out additional resources if you need further guidance. Happy grouping!